Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook encryption error. The first thing I want you to do is actually turn off encryption. This is a temporary workaround. So if you want to just send an email quickly, you just come here, click a new email, for example. And then what you do is you click here on options, then you click here on encrypt. And usually what you want to do is if it is encrypted, you click on encrypt and you get an option to, de-encrypt it. Right? So you select do not forward or remove encryption, and then you send your email normally. Otherwise, what you do is on Outlook, you come here at the top left, click on File, click here on Options at the bottom left, and then what you do is you go to right here, Trust Center. Okay, click on Trust Center. Then here, click on Trust Center Settings. From here, I want you to click on Email Security. And then I want you to go ahead and, go here and check, okay, right here under settings, click on settings and check if your signing certificate and encryption certificate, they're still valid. If they've expired, click on choose and you select a new certificate or you remove it. Okay, and then hit OK to apply the changes. Then we can also do, last but not least, you just close up Outlook and then you go ahead and disconnect your account, reconnect again, restart Outlook, sign in. It'll be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.